Today's Amazon product review with car polish. Number 1. Turtle Wax 53409 Hybrid Solutions Ceramic Spray Coating. The Turtle Wax 53409 Hybrid Solutions Ceramic Spray Coating is a remarkable product that delivers exceptional results. With over 10 years of experience in the product marketing industry, I can confidently say that this spray coating is a game changer. First and foremost, the quality of this product is outstanding. Crafted by Turtle Wax, a renowned manufacturer in the industry, it showcases their commitment to delivering top-notch products. From the brand to the model number, every aspect reflects the attention to detail that Turtle Wax is known for. One of the standout features of the Turtle Wax 53409 Hybrid Solutions Ceramic Spray Coating is its ceramic formula. This advanced technology allows for a long-lasting and durable protective coating on any surface. Whether you're applying it to your car, boat, or motorcycle.
In conclusion, the Turtle Wax 53409 Hybrid Solutions Ceramic Spray Coating is a superior product that meets and exceeds expectations. Its exceptional quality, advanced ceramic formula, convenience, and origin in the USA make it a worthwhile investment for everyone. As an experienced product marketing expert, I wholeheartedly recommend this product to anyone seeking a professional-grade protective spray coating for their vehicles or other surfaces.
Number 2. Mother's 05750 California Gold Pure Brazilian. The Mother's 05750 California Gold Pure Brazilian is a remarkable product that delivers exceptional results for automotive enthusiasts. As an experienced product marketing expert with over 10 years of writing experience, I have found this product to be truly remarkable. First and foremost, the product is manufactured by Mother's, a well-respected brand known for its high-quality automotive care products. The attention to detail and craftsmanship evident in the California Gold Pure Brazilian is indicative of the brand's commitment to excellence. One of the standout features of the Mother's 05750 California Gold Pure Brazilian is its effectiveness in delivering a pristine finish. Whether you are dealing with light dirt or stubborn stains, this product tackles them with ease, leaving your vehicle looking as good as new. The Pure Brazilian formula used in this product ensures that the cleaning process is thorough and efficient.
Number 3. New Finish Car Polish. New Finish Car Polish is a high-quality product manufactured by American Covers Inc. DBA Handstands. With over 10 years of experience in the industry, I can confidently say that New Finish Car Polish stands out as one of the best car polishes on the market. This product is expertly designed to provide exceptional protection and shine to your car's exterior. It is formulated with advanced polymers that create a strong, durable layer of protection against the elements. Whether it's rain, UV rays, or dirt, New Finish Car Polish ensures that your car's paintwork remains protected. One of the standout features of New Finish Car Polish is its ease of use. The liquid formula makes it incredibly convenient to apply, allowing for a smooth and effortless application. Additionally, it doesn't leave behind any residue or streaks, providing a flawless finish every time. Another impressive aspect of this product is its long-lasting effect.
Number 4. Mother's 05674 California Gold Carnauba. The Mother's 05674 California Gold Carnauba is a high-quality product manufactured by Mother's, a well-known and reputable brand in the automotive industry. With over 10 years of experience as a product marketing expert, I can confidently say that this Carnauba wax delivers exceptional results and provides a professional touch to any vehicle. When it comes to car care, Mother's has always been a trusted name. The 05674 California Gold Carnauba is no exception. This product is designed to protect and enhance the appearance of your vehicle's paintwork. The Carnauba wax.
Number 5. Meguiar's Deep Crystal Carnauba Wax, 16 ounces bottle. Meguiar's Deep Crystal Carnauba Wax, 16 ounces bottle, is a high-quality car wax that offers exceptional results for car enthusiasts and professionals alike. With over 10 years of experience in product marketing and writing, I can confidently say that this product is worth considering for anyone looking to achieve a stunning shine and long-lasting protection for their vehicles. Manufactured by Meguiar's, a reputable brand in the automotive industry, this Carnauba wax is designed to provide superior performance and ease of use. The 16 ounces bottle contains a liquid wax formula that is specifically formulated to be easier to use than traditional Carnauba wax, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced users. One of the standout features of this product is its exceptional durability. The deep crystal system provides a protective barrier that shields your vehicle's paint from environmental elements such as UV rays.